Hello students, today we are here with another topic and revise chapter number 19 from your English grammar book, has, have and had. Okay, so first of all I want to say the verbs has, have, had shows that something belongs or belonged to someone or something. Okay, so look at these pictures and read the sentences given below them. I have a doll. Deepika has a teddy bear. Rajesh has a pet fish. Okay, so here we use verbs has and have and has. Okay, so where we use have and where we use has, here have is used to these cases. I have 2 sisters, you have pretty clothes, we have many cousins, they have a blue car, Ashish and Priya have a baby brother. So I, you, we, they, these words are called pronouns. So I, you, we and they and Ashish and Priya. When our naming words plural naming words we use have. With these words we use have. So, and he has, she has, Shekhar has and it has. Okay, so he, she, Shekhar means any singular naming word and it we use with this word has verb. Okay, so now we will see the uses of has, have and has. So has is used for third person singular, that is he, she, it, and as well as singular noun. It means Shekhar. Okay, here Shekhar is singular noun. Okay, so has is used for third person singular. Okay, now we will use have. Okay, so have is used for first person singular, that is I. Okay, and second person you, we, they and plural noun. है ना? Plural noun means more than one. So I, you, we, they and plural noun Ashish and Priya. Here we talk about 2 person. It means plural noun. So we add, we use with these words have verb. Okay. I have 2 sisters. You have pretty clothes. We have many cousins and they have a blue car. Ashish and Priya have a baby brother. And let's see some more example. The girls have solved mathematics. You know, the carpenter have finished their work. The boys have played in the park. They have washed their clothes. Okay, so many examples of have. So remember that have is used for plural forms as well as I. Okay, and second person singular and plural form that you also have. You का plural form you ही होता है. Okay, and we use had with both singular and plural naming words, but in past tense. Okay, so had is used for I, you, we, she, he, it and any plural and singular naming word. It means noun. Okay, but remember that in past tense we use had. We will do exercise number A. Tick have or has correctly in these sentences. First, lions dash long man. So here have and has. What we use here? Lions have, because of lions is plural, है ना? So we use here have. Have is correct option. Next, that tigress have or has 2 cups. Here tigress, it means singular. we talk about only one thing, है ना, one animal, one thing, one person, so we use there has. So here tigress, it means we talk about only one animal na, so correct option is has. That tigress has 2 cubs. Bella dash 2 brothers. So Bella has 2 brothers because of here singular noun na, we talk about singular noun, so we use with singular noun has. Okay, so Bella has 2 brothers. Is it clear everyone? I hope you understand. Okay, so I told you had is used both singular and plural naming words, but in past tense. Okay, so had is used with I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and any noun. Okay, singular and plural. So but remember that in past tense we use had, verb had. Okay, like I had a birthday party last week. You had a cold and could not come. Okay, Maya had chocolates. Here Maya singular noun, so we use had with singular noun. Okay, Ritesh and Rahul, we talk about 2 person, है ना, it means plural nouns. Okay, so we use with plural also had. Okay, so Ritesh and Rahul had many ice cream cones. We had lots of fun at the party. So we use here had. I, you, Maya means singular noun. Ritesh and Rahul means plural noun. Okay, plural naming word. We, they, he, she, it. Okay, we use had but in past tense. Okay.